Good evening. Welcome to a new update. Today it's going to be a little different update than the usual one, as we are analyzing two altcoins. So it's not going to be a very long update, as I'm not focusing on Bitcoin today. I'll be focusing on Bitcoin tomorrow in the live stream. But today I want to analyze Ripple and a stellar Lumens, and just see what they are showing on these perspectives. So I can also discuss a little bit why I'm currently in a trade on Ripple. So let's just continue to check the charts for Ripple and Stellar and see what we can get. Well, what we can get on Ripple is that I didn't paint all the levels here. As you can see, there are still some levels over here, and we've accomplished that. We held the support on 14 cents if you check the weekly time frame, which is pretty much crucial for Ripple. The long-term time support around 14 cents had to hold, which we did, and now we are looking for a compression towards maybe even 30 cents. I'm not expecting that to happen, but looks a lot similar to the movements we have seen during November 2015, in which it made the whole pump was retraced fully to the support before the pump, and after that an accumulation phase started before the next big surge occurred. We're not going to discuss about that. I'm not here to be your moon boy for Ripple. I'm just here to share my view why I'm long. If you look at the chart, we can see that we have made a double bottom here. We retested the support here, made a higher low, a new high, another high, retested for support, grinded back up a little bit, the same compression as we can see in the old structure over here, then broke out, tested for resistance here, and after that we came back for support tests and again a new higher low. And now we have flipped the green zone here, and we are flipping the 19 cents zone here. So as long as we remain above 18.4 cents, then I'm assuming that we're going to see a further upwards movement. And if you compare that with Cardano, for instance, you can see a similar structure, after which the breakout occurred and we rallied towards the resistance around 4.5 cents, which was the resistance during March 1st. And if you go towards Stellar, you can see that a similar compression and an even stronger move occurred, after which we rallied towards the resistance at 6.6 cents, which was even the resistance or the support at 20 February. So it skipped this whole level over here. I'm not expecting Ripple to skip this whole level over here, but it could be a target that we are rallying towards 25 cents. But given this compression, and as long as we hold the level over here, I'm assuming we are going to grind up and test the levels at least above us at 22.8 cents, and the next few targets are lying here around 25 and 24 cents. If we lose 18.4 or 18.9, I'm out. And then we're going to test the lower levels, but as you can see, it's a similar structure as Bitcoin, in which we are just grinding upwards, flipping levels and showing compression here, which you could also see if you get the Bollinger Bands included, which I'm never using on the charts, but it's a cool compression and showing what there's expected to be. Volatility is low, which makes the Bollinger Bands get into a narrow phase, which usually expects that there's a big move occurring. And if you see the whole compression here, we can exactly see a similar structure over here, which usually leads towards a push up or continuation in that matter, as the structure is in upward modus right now. So as long as we hold the level here, I'm assuming we're going to test up, which we have discussed with EOS yesterday as well. If we check the BTC pair, it's on crucial blocks over here. I want to see support hold around 2500 Satoshis, a little bit depending on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin makes a huge bump, we're going to be out of this one, but I'm not expecting Bitcoin to make such a breaker at the moment, as it's stuck inside a range. If you want to check my analysis on Bitcoin, read my article on Cointelegraph or check my video from yesterday, But as long as we remain above 2500 satoshis, which is a monthly level, I'm assuming that we're going to break up. And the moment you see a structure like this, you can expect to see a pretty big breaker to the upside, in which I'm assuming that we're going to test 3000 satoshis and maybe even 3300 satoshis. So for now I'm in a long on Ripple. I'm not assuming we're going to see such a move. Should be a bit weird, but at least a test of 3300 satoshis should be in the picture. After that, further retracement, making a higher low or testing the range again, and then we can have a body. But this is just a trade for me. I'm not investing in Ripple as I do not believe in it, but I can trade it to make some money. Stellar, you can see, has on the chart is showing some more strength after we had a nice rally up, compression as well, in which we broke up, tested the level, flipped a level over here for support, another compression, continuation, and all the way towards the resistance over here. Even cleared the resistance at 5.6 cents and ready towards 6.6 cents. If you don't have a position on Stellar, I will just not take any. I will be looking for shorts in the range here, or maybe a level higher if we get it, in which you want to see something like this on a smaller time frames and a bearish divergence. If we grind south, I'd be looking at either of these levels for the potential long, and the first one at 5.7 cents is the first level that I'd be looking for. If you get a long over there, that's going to be the trade. You can just put the stop beneath. This one is a little bit more risky, as there is also still a level over here. This one is the best entry for me. And if we get it, I'm assuming that we can have one more rally coming up. If we go towards the Stellar Lumen BTC chart, you can see that it's stuck inside a pretty long range, in which we also had the range low around here. After that, we also have the range resistance area, which is this whole block as resistance. And we've seen that we've broken out of the construction, this narrow range in which we have been moving for a few months. And if you want to take a trade right now, I'll just be not taking any here. Remember, defending your portfolio is crucial. You don't have to chase trades. The trades are coming towards you. So either way, if we get and move towards here and show less volume, including a bearish divergence, I'll be looking for shorts. If we grind back south, this is the first block that I'll be taking. I'd be taking as potential long level. And if we get that entry, I'm assuming we're going to test the gray block back again. If we grind back up, flip this level for support, then we're going to see a real rally towards 1250 satoshis. So don't chase your trades, let them come to you. Don't be greedy on the profits. Investing is different than trading. Trading is just to make money, and you don't really care what the price is doing or which way it goes. You're just looking for possibilities and entries. So a small update about these two. Thank you for watching. Let me know on the Twitter what requests you would like to have to discuss tomorrow in the live stream. And I'll see you tomorrow at 8 PM GMT +2 on King's Day in the Netherlands. And then I'll be live streaming. Have a wonderful Sunday.